wolves, I bet I lead the pack. Yeah, I'm grinding right now, cannot hold me back. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside to swing my bat. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside, I pop out the cut like a bat, Put that boy in the mat,
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Don back with another video. As you can see, we got 2 challengers and 3 chargers. One of them's a cat right there, you feel me? But if you new to the channel, man, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, bro. We going up for sure. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just stay tuned for the video, and we're gonna get this shit on and going, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, check out my other videos as well. We going up, man. If you checking in on this video right now, we probably already at 1K. But at my time, we is on the road to 1K. Hear them boys cutting up. But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned for the video, man. I'm gonna catch y'all and give y'all some rollers and some clips. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for the video, no cap.
A few moments later.
No copyright.
Damn, this long ass beat drop, boy.
Oh God. Alright, you guys, we just not pulling up to this car meet. See what's going on out here. We're cooking up. It look like it's deep as fuck. Damn. I can't see shit. We was driving on like a little hill. There's some folks posted over there. Damn, this shit deep as hell. What the fuck, gang? This shit deep, yo. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, you guys. Look like they held up their end of the bargain on this one, cause they said mega meet. The last mega meet we was supposed to go to, mega car meet, that shit was dirt. I ain't gonna lie. But we really just pulled up though, man. Like, sound like he got a can. Yeah, he got a can. Type shit. But yo, some of my folks already pulled up to this hole. Feel me? We ain't got shit going on. What the fuck popping this shit? But y'all, fucking with Condomobile over there. Alright, big move. Out here looking like a damn tangerine. Damn it. Yeah, you hear that, boy? Y'all hear that, boy? Yeah. That bitch whining like a motherfucker. Copyright, copyright, copyright. They playing that bullshit. This is a small ass parking lot though, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Send my regards if you could.
Got a little spot posted over here and shit. But y'all, this car meet deep as shit though. Hey, I know this ain't my nigga T's. This look just like my nigga T's shit, yo. He got a plate cover on that bitch and everything. I wonder where that nigga walked off to. But yeah, man, when I get out of the car, I'm gonna let y'all know what we got over here, man. Y'all just stay tuned for the video, no cap.
A few moments later.
Got some shit out here.
Got to the lot, you feel me? I really ain't got nothing to say today.
I don't know, other than you being a playboy.
Quarter of the day, what is it? Quarter of the day, man. Quarter of the day. Hold on. Alright, look, man. The quarter of the day is, man, whenever you chase a bitch, you're not chasing no money, okay? You spend your bottles and you thinking it's funny, okay? I pass it eventually, that nigga's a dummy, okay?
Damn.
I keep on going, it's chewy like a gummy, okay?
Damn, alright, but I went back in, right? And she ate it like a gummy.
Oh.
I don't play no games because I ain't no dummy. But you can call me dumb. I do this shit for fun.
Okay.
I dip in her like a crotch rocket, and now she got a tum-tum because her stomach hurting. And now she got to take a pill. I don't have a plan B. That's why she ate it for real.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Oh, you talking about a plan B? I had to resort to plan C. I punched the bitch in her stomach. They call me Mike Tyson, but I keep on going.
Hey, yo!
Y'all see it's deep as fuck out here. Y'all see we lined up over there. Track doing somersaults. ain't trying to get copyrighted, but you feel me? I'm just showing y'all everything that's going on. I'm probably be cutting this part out for real. Crazy vet right there. Got the speakers on that motherfucker. It's my nigga A right here, bro. My nigga A wet right here posted up. He beside this Camaro. I think this Mills right here too. All type of shit out here, man. Somebody revving that vet sound like. They got some shit in that fucking hood. Why the fuck niggas running, yo? Why the fuck is niggas running, gang? Oh, he's sliding.
Okay. Go with it.
He got a sunroof. Y'all missed it. Me and my brother was just spinning back there.
And that boy got a little photo now. Yes, sir.
A few moments later.
Look, I ain't gonna lie, bro. 12 just shut down the spot, bro. So right now, niggas is scattered everywhere like ants and shit like that, bro. But look, when we get to a destination, man, we get settled and shit like that. I'm gonna pick the camera up and let y'all know what the fuck we got going on, bro. But y'all just stay tuned for the video, man. Video started off lit, so I'm gonna try to end it off lit, man. But y'all just stay tuned for the video, man, because we gotta relocate right now, no cap.
Later that same evening.
So we just relocated. We just chilling right now. But I'm gonna pick the camera up.
You know, when they be like LMK, that stands for let me know. That stands for Lord Mafia Killers. Nigga.
What about MLK?
MLK, Martin Luther King or not?
Hell no.
Oh damn.
Rosa Parks? Nah.
The back of the bus was lit. That's
Bruh, why did they want motherfuckers at the back of the bus?
That's what I'm saying.
They
a square.
Bro, but everybody wanted to be in the back of the bus, bro. Like in middle school, elementary school. Like,
Anytime the back of the bus lit, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
I ain't never seen the front of the bus lit.
But in the front of the bus, everyone behind you too, bro.
You know the most lit bus is? What? The short bus.
what did he say? All right, YouTube, man. We was chilling over there, man, because you know that other spot really ended up being busted. But I'm finna go see what's going on in Mexico right now. Y'all hear that exhaust though? But look, I'm gonna pick the camera up whenever we make it to the next destination, man. You know what I'm saying? If you're enjoying this video right now, bro, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe on the video, man. 1K, we is on the way, bro. We is knocking on the door right now. So, bro, make sure you show some love support to your guy, bro. But y'all just stay tuned for the video, man. I'm gonna pick the camera up and show y'all what we got going on when we get there, no cap.
Day 2.
Look, man, it's the very next day right now. I'm in traffic right now, folks behind me. You know what I'm saying? We on the way to this kid's birthday party and shit, you feel me? Got like a little 20-minute drive, you feel me? Y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all see him back there. So whenever we get there, man, I'm gonna show y'all the fleet and let y'all know what we got cooking up, bro. Y'all just stay tuned for the video. If you enjoyed part 1 of this video, make sure you drop a like. If you enjoy watching my channel, make sure you drop a like. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Because why ain't you subscribe yet and you still watching my video? But anyway, that's another topic. I'm going to check in with y'all, bro, when we get there. No cap. Y'all, we almost there, man. At the location. We're 8 minutes away. Y'all hear that shit, though. We all better than traffic. 2 Camaros, 3 Chargers. But when we get to the destination, I'm gonna pick the camera up, bro. I was letting y'all know, you feel me? We is almost at the destination, man. So y'all just stay tuned for the video. Got another downshift. Got a little tunnel pool for y'all too right here. Somebody bumping what I was bumping, that gunny.
Got some L's and teleported. I secure my needs.
Yes, sir, ski. I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a little minute.
Give me a B-roll, know how I come. Got pretty little sluts at the nut out the pee hole.
Man, this shit kind of deep for that little man, bro. Bro, I love to see that, though.
Oh, it's a water park.
I love to see that, though. I love to see that. Some type of park. Got some shit over here. All Hondas. Ooh, a Ducati. I'm gonna post up over here, though. You feel me? By the Chargers. I ain't about to be beside 2 Camaros. What my boy doing over there? Yeah, look at that nigga over there. What the fuck is he on? That cop. He was behind us. Yeah, but look, we done made it to the low, you feel me? I guess we finna live. I don't know what they doing. Hopefully they got enough room because I ain't trying to back up. But I guess we finna ride around. Damn, it's 2 of them. What the fuck? They on bullshit.
Bro, white people are so quick to call the fucking cops on cars, bro.
Nah, but this the thing though. This event's for a white kid.
Still, like, people that's not here for that, man.
Nah, we definitely is, cause they was like he like cars, so like y'all pull up, you feel me? So that's what we decided to do. Like he's 6 and I think he got autism. Yeah, so they over here. All the way in the back. Yeah, feel me? Y'all already know what my view look like. I be trying to show y'all other people's shit. Birthday event. Look at that dog. That in the car. We just out here showing love, man. You feel me? My man, birthday right there. He behind his mom. But you feel me? He love cars. I know he's tired. I mean, he a little kid. He been out here all morning. And it's kind of late. We put up a little late. We're supposed to be here 2 hours ago.
Okay, bye.